Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are diving into Wasabi Wallet, which is a privacy focused Bitcoin wallet that emphasizes anonymity and security. So, if you are considering using Wasabi Wallet in 2025, here is a concise overview to help you decide. So, Wasabi Wallet is an open source, non custodial Bitcoin wallet that is designed to enhance your privacy. It employs the CoinJoin protocol over the Tor network to obscure the transaction details, making it difficult for third parties to basically trace your Bitcoin transactions. Now, let's talk about some of the features that it provides. So, all the traffic is routed through the Tor network, which ensures your IP address and transaction details remain concealed. The second feature of the Wasabi wallet is that it allows multiple users to combine their transactions into a single one that enhances the anonymity. You retain full control of your private keys, and the code is also transparent for community review. It is also compatible with the devices like Ledger and Treasure for added security. Despite its advanced features, Wasabi offers an intuitive design suitable for both beginners and the advanced users. Now, these were some of the features and the pros of Wasabi Wallet. There are some cons that you need to consider, like the new users might find the privacy feature complex to navigate initially, and it supports only Bitcoin, which may not suit users looking to manage multiple cryptocurrencies. Uh, Participating in CoinJoin can incur the additional fees and may result in longer transaction times. Now, in a nutshell, Wasabi Wallet stands out as a premier choice for Bitcoin users who prioritize privacy in 2025. Its robust features ensure enhanced anonymity, though it may require some time to fully grasp its capabilities. If privacy is your main concern, Wasabi Wallet is a solid option to consider. Now, if you want me to create a detailed tutorial on how you can get started with the Wasabi Wallet, you can just do let me know that in the comment section. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.